How to add a Microsoft Whiteboard to D2L. I sometimes use Google Meet and I want a whiteboard to be able to plan and learn with my students. So I'm going to go into content area and I've already made a module called Whiteboard. If you haven't made a module, just type it in there. And in it, I want to make a link to a whiteboard. So I'm going to go to whiteboard.microsoft.com. And I've already logged in. If I hadn't logged in, it would ask me to log in with my Mount Royal username and password, Mount Royal email address and password. And I'm just going to make a brand new whiteboard. I'm going to just use this template, actually start blank canvas. And I'm just going to call it the name of my course. And I'm just going to hit share, and in the bottom of share there's a copy link, and now I can exit this, and it's that link that I use in upload create to create a link. I'm just going to call it whiteboard and paste the link and create. And even if I've exited out of it and if I'm back to the whiteboard link, if I click on it, it will launch the whiteboard. Now it'll also ask my students to log in with their Mount Royal email addresses and passwords, but once they do, they'll be able to access this whiteboard and participate.